Okay, quick recap. If you missed the Zoom today or were on it, thank you so much. Sorry my audio was so bad. One color is deoxygenated blood, and then one color is oxygenated blood. Just pick your darker color for deoxygenated and your lighter color for oxygenated. All right, so we're going to start with our deoxygenated blood, and we're going to enter from the upper body through the superior vena cava, coming in that way, or from the inferior vena cava in that way, okay? And both enter into the right atrium. From the right atrium, you pass through the tricuspid valve. It has 3 cusps or 3 flaps. Then you're in the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, blood pumps up and passes through the semilunar valves. Now, both semilunar valves are half moon shaped, so their name is for where they're going. This one's going up to the lungs, so this is called the pulmonary semilunar valve, and I put a little asterisk there, and you can just write it down on the side, pulmonary semilunar valve. Then you move up the pulmonary artery and go out to the left lung here, or you go this direction to the right lung. All right, so we're going to pause here at the right lung. We're going to go in, okay, and we're going to do gas exchange, and then we're going to come out another color. Okay, so to label the lung, is my focus okay? All right, so A is the trachea. Label it down here. The trachea gets a little bit smaller, and the branches, like a tree, turn into the bronchi, F. The bronchi then branch into even smaller branches called the bronchioles, letter C, bronchioles. Then the bronchioles lead to these little grape-like clusters, and they are called alveoli. Alveoli. Okay, alveoli are letter E, and surrounding each of the alveoli are the capillaries, and that is where, capillaries is D, and I want you to add on here, this is where gas exchange occurs. So this is where it's going to pick up the oxygen or dump off the waste. Okay, so now you're going to change your color. Okay, getting our oxygenated blood because we've now picked up oxygen, and we are going to move up and out. So down here, the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein is letter G right here. And the deoxygenated blood that came in, all right, was letter B. All right, so now from the lung, we are going to enter these 2 little guys right here, or from the other side, the left side. These are called the pulmonary veins. So left pulmonary veins or the right pulmonary veins. So this is one thing I think I forgot to say on the Zoom video, is that the pulmonary veins are the only veins that have oxygenated blood, and the pulmonary artery is the only artery that has deoxygenated blood, because all the other arteries carry oxygenated blood, and all the other veins carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, so now we are oxygenated, and we're entering into the left atrium. Then we are going to pass through the bicuspid. Sometimes it's called the mitral valve in medicine. And the way you're going to remember which one is which, you're going to try it before you buy it. Okay, tricuspid, bicuspid. All right, from the bicuspid valve, you enter the left ventricle. I wrote it to the side if your picture's too dark. Left ventricle. Then you move up. I put a little star here. Okay, this one's going up to the aorta, the semilunar valve. This is a valve going up to the aorta. So I'm just writing it right here with my star. Aortic semilunar valve. So aortic semilunar valve comes up to the aorta, which is the largest artery in the body. And then the blood goes out to the body. So upper body through the top of the aorta. And then what it doesn't show in this picture is that the aorta actually goes behind, okay, and then continues down and sends blood to the lower body. All right, and that is the pathway of blood through the heart. So you're going to use this picture to help you answer the same questions. It's still going through the same steps on the other page, but in word form. All right, hope this helps. We will go over the answers in the next tutorial, the Zoom tutorial, so be on the lookout. Bye.